Is the coffee here good?
Yes, it's very good.
What do you usually order?
I usually order tea and a small cake.
Do they have desserts here?
Yes, they have many kinds of desserts.
Which dessert do you recommend?
I recommend the chocolate cake.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, it's one of my favorites.
Is this cafe usually busy?
Yes, especially in the evening.
Do you like the atmosphere here?
Yes, it's very calm and comfortable.
Maybe I'll come here more often.
For about 2 years.
Do you usually sit in this area?
Yes, I like sitting near the window.
Why do you prefer the window seat?
Because I enjoy watching people outside.
Do they play music here?
Yes, they usually play soft background music.
Is the service here good?
Yes, the staff are very friendly.
Do you ever work or study here?
Yes, sometimes I bring my laptop.
Is the cafe quiet enough for that?
Yes, especially in the morning.
Do they have outdoor seating?
Yes, there are a few tables outside.
Do you ever sit outside?
Yes, when the weather is nice.
What time does this cafe usually open?
It opens early in the morning.
Do many people come here for breakfast?
Yes, especially on weekdays.
Do they serve sandwiches here?
Yes, they have several kinds of sandwiches.
Which sandwich do you like the most?
I like the chicken sandwich.
Do you ever meet friends here?
Yes, I often meet my friends here.
Do people usually stay here for a long time?
Some people do, especially when they are chatting or reading.
Do you ever read while drinking tea here?
Yes, I sometimes bring a book.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading novels and travel stories.
Do they roast their own coffee here?
Yes, the cafe roasts its coffee beans locally.
Can you smell the coffee when you enter?
Yes, the aroma is very strong and pleasant.
Do they offer different types of tea?
Yes, they have green tea, black tea, and herbal tea.
Which tea do you usually choose?
I usually choose mint tea.
Do they decorate the cafe for holidays?
Yes, they add decorations during special seasons.
Do you ever bring guests here?
Yes, I sometimes bring visitors from out of town.
What do they think of this place?
They usually like the relaxed atmosphere.
Do you tip the staff here?
Yes, I usually leave a small tip.
Do you think cafes are good places to relax?
Yes, they are perfect for relaxing and talking.
Do they have a menu on the table?
Yes, you can find it right here.
Are the prices reasonable?
Yes, the prices are quite fair.
Do they accept card payments?
Yes, they accept both cash and cards.
Do you usually stay here for a long time?
Not really, usually about an hour.
Do people come here to celebrate birthdays?
Yes, sometimes small groups celebrate here.
Do they serve fresh pastries?
Yes, they bake pastries every morning.
Which pastry do you like the most?
I like the croissants.
Do you ever order another drink?
Sometimes I order a second cup of tea.
Do you think this cafe is better than others nearby?
Yes, I think it's one of the best in this area.
Do they grind the coffee beans fresh?
Yes, they grind them right before making the coffee.
Do you prefer strong tea or light tea?
I prefer strong tea.
Do they serve cold drinks here too?
Yes, they have iced coffee and fresh juices.
Have you ever tried the iced coffee here?
Yes, I tried it last summer.
Was it refreshing?
Yes, it was very refreshing on a hot day.
Do you ever sit here in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes I come here after work.
Do people bring their laptops here?
Yes, many people work here for a few hours.
Is there free Wi-Fi in the cafe?
Yes, the cafe offers free Wi-Fi for customers.
Do you think cafes are good places for conversations?
Yes, they are perfect for talking and relaxing.
Do they have different sizes of coffee?
Yes, you can choose small, medium, or large.
Which size do you usually order?
I usually order a medium.
Do they serve breakfast here?
Yes, they serve eggs, toast, and pancakes.
Have you tried their pancakes?
Yes, I tried them once. They were very good.
Do many students come here?
Yes, especially in the afternoon.
Do they study or just talk?
Some study, and others just relax and chat.
Do you like the decoration of this cafe?
Yes, it's simple and cozy.
Do they change the menu sometimes?
Yes, they add new drinks from time to time.
Would you recommend this cafe to others?
Yes, I always recommend it to my friends.